Ako. Sino hawakan nila mic? Hawakan na naman namin.
Hawak ko ang beat.
Yes, hawak mo ang beat.
Okay, April, how do you feel after, the crown?
I'm feeling great. Shut up. I am so happy. I'm so happy. And I just can't wait to represent Philippines and hopefully to bring the first ever crown as your Miss Charm. Diba? So, parang I'm looking forward. I'm so excited because they said that the pageant will be on December. So, yes. They said daw, pero like, they're not yet sure. So, let's see. Abangan. So, I hope you guys will continue to support me throughout my journey. Thank you so much. Love you all.
How was it like meeting the reigning Miss Charm title holder from
Oh my
Venezuela?
God, she was so beautiful and tall. I was like amazed with her beauty. So, ayun, she's so kind, and then I'm looking forward also to, get to know more about her.
I know it's very early and you just been crowned, pero as early as now, how do you plan to strategize?
Of course, I need to set some, game plan along with my team because it's a collaboration. So we need to, think on how can we take home the first ever crown as your Miss Charm. So yun, mag-isip pa kami. And of course, magbibigay kami ng hint for you guys. And if you have any suggestions on paano natin makukuha yung first ever na crown sa Philippines, so let us know.
Grabe kung kami pa magsasuggest para nakakahiya na sa performance sa pinakita mo ng MUP. Nakita mo naman siguro yung Instagram feed namin kung ano pinagsasabi namin nung nagpe-perform ka, di ba?
I so love you guys. Thank you talaga.
Inulat mo kami nung swimsuit, nung long gown. Mas lalo nung Q&A, talagang pinatukayan mo yung mga bashers ng Q&A.
Thank you so much. I've been reading all your comments, messages. Thank you so much. I can really feel it. Yung buong arena din. Oh my gosh, I was so amazed.
Sabi ko nga wala kang hakot na fans, pero naturally sumisigaw yung mga fans nung pag ikaw lumalabas.
Thank you so much.
So,
Shocked din ako.
Di ba?
Like, I was like,
Saan
parang ang
nagagaling
dami ko,
yun?
parang hinakot ko din sila.
Di ba? Parang hakot fans ka. But you bring that performance with you sa Charm. Feeling namin talagang kakabugin mo ang Miss Charm talaga.
Let's go.
Will you
Diba?
be going back to Singapore or are you taking a
year-long break.
Yes, I think so. The preparation, diba, it's already like May. And then I need some preparation and game plans on paano represent natin ng mabuti at ma-take home natin yung crown sa Philippines.
So leave of absence lang, hindi naman resign.
Let's see. Yes.
Hindi ko naman understanding yung boss mo.
Very understanding.
He wouldn't let you go away. Just
Yeah, so let's see.
She's a gem. They
April,
can't let her
Thank
away.
you.
How does it feel? Kasi this is your comeback. Tapos with a crown na, tapos you'll represent the Philippines internationally finally.
I think I felt like everything has been aligned. All my transformation, my growth, the process is, nagbunga siya na worth it ang lahat because I've earned a crown.
So backstage, April, habang hindi pa kayo tinatawag, what was going through your mind?
Of course, I know that I did my best to win the, Miss Universe Philippines, but then maybe God has another plan for me. So I was thinking that kung ano lang yung ibigay ni Lord, like, let's open our arms to, accept it and just trust Him na may plan talaga siya. And yun, hopefully, maybe this is the sign na ma-take home natin yung crown.
Yes.
We're so excited for you, April.
Thank you so much.
Alam mo yan right from the start.
Good luck.
6 years in the making.
Diba? Thank you so
luck,
much,
April.
guys. How about kayo, guys? What was your reaction?
Grabe nung lumalabas ka, hiyaw kami ng hiyaw, na wala kami talang boses after ng MUPH. And I promise,
Ako very surprised sa Q&A talaga. As in, wow. Wow, as in, wow.
Talagang gusto ka different April. Mas
Yes,
confident.
agree.
tapos yung gown pa na inugot-ugutan mo yung letter 8,
Diba,
number
ganun
8, di ba?
S lang yun, letter S.
Yeah, letter S.
So I did everything, same routine as I joined my previous pageant pa. So yun talaga yung post ko. It was my signature post actually way back 2015.
Pero kinumpare
Yes.
nila yung video ng 2020 versus yung 2026. Ang layo talaga. Yung sa TikTok na nagtitrend na
Yes.
kinumpare nila yung compile na ano.
Yes.
But I guess you really amaze us nung Miss Universe Philippines 2026 kasi sinurpresa mo talaga kami ng bonggang-bongga.
Thank you so much.
Galingan mo ha.
We're so happy. We're rooting for you all the time.
Siyempre, pupunta kayo, ha?
From not being your fan to becoming your fan.
Wow!
Para kang
Pupunta
Disney
kayo.
princess.
Oo nga, sabi nila. Hindi naman. Pero like, parang nagiging ano siya, parang daw akong Disney princess.
Princess Tiana.
Pero ang galing mo, April. Grabe, that night.
Thank you so much, guys.
Message to your fans.
Oh, yes. To all my supporters out there, thank you so much for non-stop supporting me, for believing in me, and hopefully hindi ko kayo titigil. Kasi ito na to, I'm representing Philippines, magsha-shout na ako ng Philippines, and hanggang dulo, sana po, supportan niyo po ako for representing Philippines for Miss Charm. So, yes, this upcoming December daw. So, ipakita natin yung pagiging Filipino natin for being a pageant fans as well. Because for sure, they will love it na being supportive tayo. Mabuhay tayo mga Pilipino.
Thank you, April. Buhay ka.
Sample.
Sample daw
Oh.
ng YouTube.
April Smith.
Oh yeah, oh my gosh. Paano ba? April Smith, Miss Charm, Philippines!